Alright, I'm going to do a review on my Wallmart Schwinn Pacific Aerovane beach cruiser. Originally, this bad boy cost a little over $100, and it weighs about 44 pounds from the factory, stripped down, but I managed to put about another 9 pounds on it. So let me introduce you to these grand modifications. I put a basket on it so that I could carry stuff. I put a light on it so I could drive at night. Here's a high-tech security vehicle retention system, a refreshment center, a warning device that strikes fear into all who get near. This little pad here is just so when you lean the bike up against a pole, it doesn't scratch up the frame. Alright, I don't think any bike in the world comes with a comfortable seat. So I got this C9, stands for Cloud 9, exercise bicycle slash old people tricycle seat. Okay? And then I wanted to put a rack on it. And if you look, you'll see that that rack is on there kind of wanky. If you go to Walmart and you try to buy a rack for this bike, the seat post leans back at this angle, and it ends up putting the rack down at this angle. So to compensate for that, I put some PVC shim here and another one up here, which slightly changed the angle and made this rack possible. Alright, then I got this trunk because, well, I thought it was cool and I could put stuff in there. It's supposed to be water resistant. And then I got this high-tech blinky light. There you go. And hopefully that will keep someone from running me over. I think it's pretty safe to say that the accessories on this bike cost about as much as the bike. And the bike itself doesn't really cost that much. There's no suspension on it. It's got these giant 26 by 3-inch wide tires. And yes, this is an all-terrain vehicle. And to prove it, look at that. I went through a puddle. Actually, I was trying to get off the sidewalk so I didn't run over an old lady and her dog, and it was a little muckier than I had hoped it was. But being courteous is always important. So anyway, this thing weighs about 55 pounds now, and I think it's safe to say it is the ultimate workout bike. Why would you spend $5,000 on a bike that makes things so easy on you that you don't get any exercise? Oh wait, here's another modification. I put these high-rise Schwinn Stingray handlebars on it. They used to have handlebars that swept around back here, but your hands ended up being about where your knees were. So there you go. You can polish a turd. Walmart $100 bike with probably $150 worth of accessories. Is it worth it? Maybe not, but it was fun.